and most highly developed states in the coastal hinterlands of West Africa, dating perhaps to the 11th century until it was annexed by the British Empire in 1897. By the 7th century, Europe was aware of a territory in Africa known as Great Benin. The kingdom was identified as larger than Wales, with very wide influence extending west as far as Sierra Leone and south to the Congo River. Two of its colonies westward stayed for centuries till date. The Benin Kingdom monarchy over the years has embraced the doctrine of change that has not eroded its core values and cultures. The Benin people practically guide their lives by their cultures. The Benin monarchy earned the respect and loyalty of every Benin citizen, even beyond the shores. The kingdom is unique for its unfading tradition and world-famous culture. It has the reputation of quality artifacts, culture, and homegrown bronze casting, which is the envy of the world. Benin artifacts can be found in many museums from South to North America, Europe, the Middle East, and the South, and other accessories accentuating their courage, beauty, and standing. The Benin chiefs were simply in a class of their own. Indeed, the Benin people again displayed the fact that, for them, their whole life and essence revolves around their culture and tradition, which they hold in very high esteem. They were all a great spectacle to behold. The coronation of the new Oba of Benin, Oba Gha II, which took place at the Urukputa Museum ground, began with a performance by different cultural troupes.